Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon is gagawin natin yung layering or paano tayo gumawa ng layer sa Autocad. Or this is what we call pen assignment in Autocad. So first and foremost, siyempre pupunta ka dito sa my layer properties. So kapag bago pa yan, wala pang layer yan. So meron tayong gagawin dito na doors and windows, layer, center layer, furniture, grid, hidden, text, and wall layers. So to start, gawa tayo ng new, then pangalanan natin yan na center. Then, for example, our color is, you may pick your color, kung ano yung gusto nyo yung color. So for example yan, then our line type is center, siyempre center yan. Then our line weight is 0.09. Okay, then we will make another one. We call this doors and windows. Our color is yellow. Our line type is continue or solid line. Then our line weight is 0.25. So click lang natin yan. Then another one, we will make furnitures. Our color will be, eto medyo light brown tayo. Okay. Then line type is continuous, solid line. Then our line weight is 0.15. Okay. Another one, we will make another one. This time we will have it grid line or grid. So our line or color here is number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 or gray. Okay. Then our line type is phantom. Ito. Pag wala pa dito yung phantom, pwede nyo i-load yan. So mamili lang kayo dito kung ano yung i-load ninyo na type of line na wala pa doon. Okay. So cancel muna tayo. So phantom, click OK. Then our line weight is 0.15. Okay. Same, 0.15 pa rin or 0.09. Okay. Another, we have hidden line. Okay. Rename lang natin to hidden line. Okay. Hidden line. Our color here is, gawin na natin pa, okay, yan lang muna. Then we have hidden. So siyempre hidden line. So that is our line. Our line weight is 0.15. Then another layer, we call this dim line or dimension line. So ang color natin dito is green. Okay, green. Then our line type is continuous or solid line. Then our line weight is 0.25. Okay. Then our last one is rename natin yan. Last one is wall. Okay, our color will be blue or light blue. Then we have continuous. Then we have 0.5 or 0.50. Okay, so yan na yung layer natin. Let us try to look at doon sa drawing space natin. So close natin yan. So kapag pinull down natin yan, ito na yung ginawa natin doon. Okay. Remember class that yung zero layer na yan, hindi na di-delete yan. That is a default. Okay. So, tingnan natin. For example, yung wall, check natin kung tama yung ginawa nating mga lines. So, click natin itong show or hide line weight. So, click natin to. Then, that is our wall. Then, tingnan natin yung hidden line. Click natin doon. Then, that is our hidden line. Then, we have grid line, which is phantom. Okay. Check natin kung phantom yung grid. Okay, phantom. So, palitan natin yung okay naman yan. Okay, so LTS na lang tayo para makita natin. LTS 1. Okay. So yan. Then we have ito hidden line yan. So pwede natin palitan yung property niyan. Okay. So grid. Then we have furniture, which is solid also. Then we have doors and windows. Then we have dim line. Then we have center line. Yan. So palitan natin yung hidden. Hidden. Palitan natin to na mag-load tayo ng ibang hidden line. Okay, try natin to. So, okay. Medyo maliit pa rin. Mag-load pa tayo ng isa. So, pwede siguro to. Okay. Then, okay. Click na lang natin yan. So, okay na yan. So, that is our, ito na ngayon yung mga different lines natin na ginawa natin sa layer. Okay. So, I hope meron tayo natutunan ngayon. Thank you for watching and have a good day.